All right, here it is, March 29, 2022. I'm down at the West Paseo. Time is now 7:22 a.m. I'm going to shoot Anamorphic today with my Zhiyun Smooth 5, do a test of my Anamorphic lens. I'm going to be using the on mic or the built-in stereo mic here. See how that works today. So today will be a little bit of a test. We had a good rain last night, so the area got quite a bit of rain here, so we're going to see how it's looking. I'm not sure how much they'll do today, but you can see down here they've added more rebar to these trenches down below me here, so I think they're going to be pouring at some point in time, pouring some concrete down here in these trenches. They're certainly getting their rebar ready to go. Got some guys down here working, but the ground is wet. I don't really see any water pooled up or anything, so from that standpoint, doesn't look like they're impacted in a big way. But should have some dramatic skies today. But it is clearing off. I think the rainstorm moved through a lot faster than the weather forecasters initially expected, because I think most of the rain had left the area by 5 a.m. or at least the immediate Scottsdale, Phoenix area. I think it's still raining out to the west or the east of me. So I'll see how this Anamorphic works today. I don't have my Rode Smart Lab Plus on there, so the phone can slide in and be more balanced than it had been yesterday when I was down here filming. So, but this is what we got going on down here in the West Paseo today. But this will probably be a short shoot today. Mainly I just wanted to come down here and test out my Anamorphic lens. Kind of hoping there would be a little bit of rain to make it more atmospheric, but looks like all the rain is gone by. So, guys got their blueprints or something out there. Let me sweep around here for a second. Get a shot from over here. Sure where else I'm going to shoot from today. Probably go back down to the east side of things, but the sun's coming up back over there in the east. Just a little bit of test shooting with the Anamorphic today. Looks like the Zhiyun Smooth 5 will handle the Anamorphic quite well here. It's just a matter of me learning how to use it. Alrighty, I think I'm gonna wrap this up here and possibly move back down to the east end of the project here. Right, here I am down at the front of City Hall, down on the east end of the project now. Shooting with my anamorphic lens here. Looks like we got some possibly more trench work. And it looked like they had some of the storm drain pipes, or the, I guess storm drain pipes would be what they might be doing more of that down here today. I think. Can't really see it because of this pump house here. Just gonna pan around. See that they did more of their concrete work back out there beyond the tree. More concrete work and sidewalks continuing to be built. So that's what we got going on down here. I think mainly today it's just going to be testing out me using my anamorphic lens. Stop this for a second and move to a different point. Try to move just a little bit farther down around the fence here. You see into the lagoon over there. Got people checking stuff out there apparently. Just the rain hasn't really impacted them that much today. It rained pretty heavy down where I was, but it was kind of come and go, spotty kind of rain. I'm just gonna pan around here, see what we got. You see the sidewalk forms are moving on around. Eventually, according to the presentation, the sidewalks will wrap on around across the bridge deck and sort of make a big loop, really. And right there, close to where those guys are standing, maybe closer to me, is where the love statue will come back to, somewhere right in there. Because that'll be right at the edge of the social hub and whatnot. So maybe they'll go ahead and pour the slab. Well, it's probably way too early to pour the slab for the love statue. That probably won't come back till November at the earliest, I think. So anyway, this is what we got down here. I'm going to move on around a little bit more, maybe over to the East Bowl, then I'll call it a day here. It's just mainly testing my anamorphic lens. Right, here I am down at the East Bowl. Activity is back up there behind the trees and stuff, so I can't see that much from there. Sort of pan around the East Bowl, see what we got down here. That's just what's happening in the East Bowl. Not quite as dramatic as I was hoping to get today. Hoping to get some rain and whatnot, but not really gonna happen. So this will just be a short shoot today, mainly to get some work with my anamorphic lens in conjunction with my Zhiyun Smooth 5 here. I got the big front end loader moving around out here now. Maybe since I'm down here, maybe I'll take a moment just to move on around a little bit farther and shoot one last. Right, here I am down on the end of the South or East Bowl. And just shooting up this way. I don't think I've shot from here before, really. It's close to the construction entrance, actually. So this is what we got going on down here in the East Bowl. Almost feel a few drops of rain on me now. Very light sprinkle. This is what we got going on down here. Looks like they're doing more dirt work and trench work, I think connected with storm drains back up there on the end of the lagoon up there. So this is what we got going on down here today. Not very exciting, but I'll just pan around here for the heck of it. Mainly wanted to come down here and get some work with my anamorphic lens. Like I said before, with my Zhiyun Smooth 5, just sort of getting familiar with my equipment again on a new gimbal. So that's what we got going on down here. So I guess I'll finish this up and call it a day. Alrighty.